All right, I hope you like that little intro. It's lesson 1, week 1, term 2. This is your first spelling lesson. We've got Mrs. Appo here. She's getting all the insights to our technical skills. This week we're learning the R controlled vowel of the AR you find in the word car.
Excellent. This is our learning intention. We're learning to practice spelling words with the sound R, and we're also going to learn a new useful and tricky word. Okay, let me just turn to that page.
So AR says R as in car. Here are some other words that use the AR sound.
There might also be a few words in there that are practicing sounds and digraphs that we already know.
So as you can see, the bold is around the AR sound. The first word here is the word star. We can break it up into R, and you can hear that last sound is the R as in car.
Let's sound this one out. Starting. Starting.
All right, we've got a suffix ing. This AR doesn't come at the end, it is in the middle of the word.
This word, we're looking at the I, like in cry. Let's sound this one out. Gives us tar. And that's what you can find on the road.
Not as in tar, like thank you, but as in tar that, yes, you would find on the road. The next word here has the digraph A in the middle. It's an AI. The word is train. Sounding it out sounds like this. Train.
Okay, this word, let's sound it out. Ish gives us starfish.
Compound word also, that one.
Okay, this digraph is making the oo sound. Let's sound it out. Ooh. My plant grew really fast because I have a bit of a green thumb. Okay, this time we're going to practice spelling some of our words that have the AR digraph in them. So we'll do the sounds, then we'll do the letters, and then we'll say the word. So we'll practice this one. A-R-M gives us arm. Alarm. March gives us march. And it's a march verb because it doesn't start with a capital letter like our month. Ready? Let's sound it out. Cart gives us cart. Park gives us park. And let's do the letter names. P-A-R-K. Okay, boys and girls, you need to get your student workbook out that looks like this. And we're going to turn to page number 43, and it should look like this. Because you can see a table that's like the one that's on the screen. So it will say R beginning, R middle, and RN. At the end, sorry.
Lesson 25.
Lesson 25. So if you need to, you can pause it until you find that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we need to sort out these words, whether the R is at the beginning of the word, if it's in the middle, or if it's at the end. So let's do the sounds in the word art. Ready? Art. 2 sounds, and the R is at the beginning, so you need to write that in the beginning column
here where the mouse is showing.
Okay, so write that down.
The second word is the word mark. Listen as I sound it out. M-A-R-K. Mark. The sound AR for R is in the middle of the word. Therefore, where my mouse is hovering now is where you would write the word mark. And you can see it on your screen too, which looks like our screen. We have done the first 3 for you as an example.
Okay.
The last word as an example before you have a go on your own is the word car. Listen as I sound out the word car. K-R. the AR comes at the end of the word. So I put the word car in the end column here. You have
these are your words.
Four more examples.
So the first one you need to do is tar, but, which is a name, that's why it starts with a capital B, arm, and charm. So if you'd like to pause it there, you can pause it and then write them in the right spots in your workbook. If you know some other ones you could sort, you could add those in as well as extras.
Alright, once you've done that, we're moving along. So you can just pause it while you get everything ready to start up again.
Okay, and we're going to be looking at a new tricky word, and our new tricky word is alright. What word?
All right. We hope you are feeling all right about this spelling lesson.
I went to see if my sister was all right after her fall, or his dad said it was all right for him to come over and play. All right means something is okay or it's all good. What does it mean? All good. Let's clap the syllables in all right. You ready? All right. How many syllables? 2. Well done. We spell the first syllables with the letters A-L. What letters?
A-L.
Awesome. Let's write them in the air. A-L. Well done. Okay, the syllable is the tricky part of the word. It sounds like all when we write A-double-L, but we just needed to use one of our L's. Okay, so that's why it's a tricky word. Okay, the next word that we can find in all right is right. Let's do the sounds in right. R-I-T. Right. Excellent. And our I-G-H is the I like in?
Light.
Light. Fabulous job. And then we've got our R and our T at the start and at the end. Now in your workbooks, we'll just go back to that one. In your workbooks, you have part 2 and it says tricky words. You need to write the word all right 2 times on those lines. Okay, and you can say the letter names as you write them. So you could.
It might be a good idea to pause so that you're able to copy the word that is on the screen, okay, onto the lines and see how there's a letter space for each letter.
So you'll go A-L-R-I-G-H-T.
Good job. All right, we're going to move on. It's now time for sentence dictation. This is part 3. It is at the bottom of your page. All right, listening for the sentence. Miss Wooldridge will read it out.
Okay, so remember our super sentences start with a capital letter and this one is going to finish with a full stop. So it's Tara said it was all right to get in the car. I'll say it again. Tara said it was all right to get in the car.
All right, and does that start with somebody's name, Miss Wooldridge?
It does.
So definitely we need a capital letter.
Yeah.
Not only is it the start of a sentence, but it is also somebody's name.
It's a proper noun, that's right. So should we say it again?
Yeah. Tara said it was all right to get in the car.
Remember how we make the R sound. And that tricky word, all right.
We're going to move along. It will come up on the next screen. So if you want to pause while you quickly write that sentence down. And we will move along to the next screen where you will see that sentence written down.
Okay, let's spell the words. Capital T-A-R-A spells Tara. S-A-I-D spells
said.
I-T spells
it.
W-A-S spells
was.
Tricky word. A-L-R-I-G-H-T spells
all right.
T-O spells
to.
G-E-T spells
get.
I-T spells
it.
T-H-E spells
the.
C-A-R spells
car.
And everyone put in your full stop.
All right, I think that deserves a
good job.
Round of applause. All right, and that is the end of our spelling component of today's English lesson. If at any stage you need to pause and go back, you can do that by using the little scroll at the bottom of the YouTube link there. Good job.